Ethan, are you ready for this round?
Okay, so this is going to be my first cheating video on my channel because I've encountered some cheaters in my SS Airsoft video for today. Now these cheaters, it's mainly the opponents but also some of my teammates, they're pushing up way too early, like 5 seconds before the buzzer. So just look at this next clip.
That's so unfair.
Okay, so that's what I'm talking about. They started literally 5 seconds before the buzzer went off to start the match, and they're literally a third of the way across the field. And I tried pointing that out by saying that's so unfair, but of course no one really heard. So in this next clip, you're going to see me running up to where the cheaters on my team are, but you'll also see another guy. He's an opponent, and he's already right there, and he's surrendering literally everyone there. That must have meant that he started literally 10 seconds before the buzzer, or something like that, because there's no way he could have gotten to that point on the field and have started on the correct time. Just look at this. Do you see what I mean? I mean, the guy was right there. And unless you're Sonic the Hedgehog, there's no way you can do that. Okay, this is a clip of yet another person cheating. I'm not sure if it's the same person from one of the previous clips, but just look at this clip, because it's just as bad.
Dude, how do you get off that cliff?
Look at that. Look at that. That was way worse than the last time. He was already at the building of the left side team. There's no way he could have started at the exact right time and have yet still been a fair player. So thanks for watching the cheating part of this video. I just wanted to let you guys know this because that was completely unfair. So stop cheating if you like cheating, I guess, and just enjoy some good old-fashioned gameplay for this next clip.
Oh, the smoke. Dude, how do you get off that cliff? How do they push up that fast?
I saw them shooting.
That's not a fight I'm taking with a pistol. the pistol. Yes. Hey. Nice, Josh. Yeah.